Designing a UHF antenna at 0.585 GHz using Ansys HFSS, a step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to today, we're diving into the fascinating world of antenna design. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to design a UHF antenna operating at 0.585 GHz using Ansys HFSS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this guide will provide valuable insights. Let's get started. First, open Ansys HFSS and create a new project. Go to the Project menu, click on Insert Design, and select HFSS Design. Next, configure your solution type for high-frequency electromagnetic simulation. Don't forget to rename your project for better organization. I'll name this one UHF_antenna_585 MHz. Now, let's create the antenna geometry. Use the Draw Rectangle tool to design the patch. Set the dimensions based on your operating frequency and substrate material. For 0.585 GHz, we need a patch size of approximately specific dimensions. Next, add the substrate. Use the Draw Box tool, specify its thickness, and assign a dielectric constant suitable for UHF applications. To excite the antenna, we'll add a feed. Use the Lumped Port option to define the feed point at the center of the patch. After this, set up the boundary conditions. Use the Radiation Boundary to simulate an open space environment. With the geometry and boundaries in place, it's time to simulate. Go to the Analysis Setup menu, define a frequency sweep from 0.5 GHz to 0.6 GHz, and click Analyze. The simulation may take a few minutes to complete. Once done, you can view the return loss graph and confirm resonance at 0.585 GHz. Finally, let's validate the results. The return loss should be below -10 dB at 0.585 GHz. You can also Ryan Keown Electronics view the channel radiation pattern to evaluate antenna performance. Adjust the design if needed to optimize results. And that's it. You've successfully designed a UHF antenna at 0.585 GHz using Ansys HFSS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next tutorial.